27-inch iMac motherboard for repair. Due to 27-inch screen, customer send only motherboard and we repair this successfully. We connect our DC power supply C and USB-C HDMI port through our TV. This is our setup and we repair this 27-inch iMac motherboard successfully. If you have any MacBook for repair, courier us all your MacBooks and iMac. We repair successfully and send courier again. This is iMac 27-inch and no need full system, only motherboard we repair. Courier only motherboards. System is started now. Password, keypad, system ready. Thank you.